All right, for breakfast, going with a super simple Omnia meal. This is going to be a sausage roll, starting with pre-cooked sausage. So your breakfast variety, whatever you like, cook that at home so I don't have to deal with a mess here. Got pizza crust and cheese. That's really it. I got this little cutting board. I put some foil, put some spray on it so nothing sticks, makes it easy. Of course, gotta have a cup of coffee. And you're gonna stuff the dough with sausage and cheese. Roll that thing together, you know, kind of like a calzone, I guess. Put it in there. You gotta cook it up until it's done. And with a little luck, it's gonna taste great. So, another one of those Omnia cooking meals. You Omnia people, watch this one, it's good. Obvious, start with the good clean hands. You're gonna be handling this stuff. Clean it up. Whew. All right, there we go. Roll this. Okay. It's not time to eat yet. It's hard to screw this one up. I've tried many ways. I stretched it diagonally one time. Don't know why I did that. Still worked. Uh-oh. I hear competition, Scout. Yes, indeed. Scout, you've been a pretty good dog. I give you that. Lots of people. You did really good. I'll get you an extra treat today. The hardest thing about all this is trying to wrap that around in the Omnia. It gets a little tricky. Once again, it's hard to screw up, so the worst thing that happens is just jam it in there. It'll be all right. I know you're wanting to go and I know what you want to do. Cause trouble. Okay, now we gotta take this and roll it up. Big old sausage fruit roll up. Look at that. Man. Okay. The other thing is you want to get plenty on the end caps. It's easy because it's not a burrito. Can't treat it exactly like a burrito. It's good to hang it over there because get that slop. It's not so good on this side because and folks, we're either going to win or fail together, but we're going to do it together. Okay. What are you doing over there? Come on over here. Take a look. Don't be bashful. No editing, I just did that. And yeah, just kind of fuse it together. Worst thing that happens is it breaks open a little bit. Happy little mistakes, right? It's got air in it, so I don't know if that's a good thing. One thing we need to do, that's a big feller. We're gonna take this off. We're gonna let that ring warm up. It's scorching hot, and then we'll be ready to cook. Do I have the gas on? I don't know. All right, I think we are good. No, don't test it. Put this dude up on there. crank that heat up to, let's just say, a little more than 3/4. I don't want it all the way on high, but I want at least to get started, to get this thing doing oven stuff. I know a lot of people preheat their whole Omnia. I've never tried that, mainly because it makes it really hot to work in there, and Feller's got enough burns on him from just daily activities. I don't need to add more. But this video here is dedicated to Sam and Clara. So they recently bought one of these, and that's why I like to show certain things that I cook, because when people buy these, you know, watch a feller like me do it, because if I can do it, anyone can do it. So they are here, and I'm gonna break a little piece of this off and send it to them and see what they think about it. All right, how long do we cook? 25 minutes ish. Looks done to me. I'm gonna take this dude out and hack it up and chow down. Vicious killer. All right, here's what we got. To me, it looks pretty good. It's not burnt. That's one good thing. And it is fully cooked. Let's get this cut up. Chunk here. Cheese coming out, that's a good sign. Okay. This little bit doesn't want to let go without a fight, huh? Look at that. Folks, that is fire right there. Okay. Yeah, she's cooked all the way through. Looks great. I'll let it cool down for just a sec though. All right, a little taste here. Thank you. You want taste? Yeah, she wants a taste. Cut. All right, I believe this will be Sam approved. So I'm gonna wrap up a little bit while it's still piping hot. Give it to the feller so he can enjoy something out of the Omnia also.